Good day. I am Hanjan Pascual together with Jasmine Yan Martin, Trisha Rojas, and Princess Diana Turbanada. Today, we will be presenting the Mako Cafe's causal loop diagram. The image illustrates a causal loop diagram that maps out how service quality and customer experience interact to influence the overall success or decline of a business. ACLD is used to show feedback relationships between factors, highlighting how positive cycles can drive growth, while negative cycles can lead to decline. In this diagram, one reinforcing loop, which is the R, and two balancing loops, which is the B1 and B2, explains how customer satisfaction, loyalty, and business sustainability are interconnected.
At the center of the system is customer experience, which depends on factors such as service consistency, serving time, and workplace sanitation. When service is consistent and sanitation maintained, customers feel more comfortable and enjoy greater convenience. This leads to higher customer satisfaction, which in turn increases customer satisfaction, loyalty, and satisfied customer often provide positive feedback, return for repeat purchases, and recommend the business to others. This attracts a greater number of future customers, which then supports continued service consistency and growth. This is represented by the reinforcing loop R1, showing a cycle of positive feedback that strengthens the business over time.
On the other hand, the CLD also show how weaknesses in service can trigger negative balancing loops. In balancing loops B1, long serving time reduces customer convenience, leading to satisfaction. Dissatisfied customers are less likely to return or remain loyal, which reduces the number of future customers. As customers' number decline, the business faces difficulty maintaining consistent service and cycle. Similarly, balancing loop B2 illustrates how poor service, consistent, or lack of sanitation directly causes customers' dissatisfaction. Dissatisfied generates negative customer feedback, which spreads quickly and damages the business reputation. The result is an increase in customers' turnover as more people choose not to return over time. This reduces the customer base and undermines growth.
Taken together, the CLD provides a holistic view of how a business operates within a delicate balance of reinforcing growth cycles and balancing decline cycles. Strong operation, consistency, and sanitation sustain positive momentum, while lapses in service or quality can quickly trigger negative spirals. By illustrating how reinforcing loops can generate sustained growth if managed properly, and how balancing loops act as a warning systems, highlighting the risk of neglecting service quality. The CLD emphasized the importance of maintaining service quality not just for day-to-day performance but also for long-term business survival and success, making it a strong and relevant example for understanding organizational performance.